Okay, I just pulled up to the O'Reilly's and I have a new grill that came in for the Civic. This needs to be replaced. Also, my car just started shutting down when I'm driving. I think when I hit a bump, my radio turns off, my ABS light and my e-brake light turn on. And I think my grounds are bad. So I'm gonna open up my hood and check that out first. First thing I see when I open up my engine bay is this. It looks like this has been arcing and it's kind of ate away some of that electrode. It's welded. It's actually welded. And I think that this is the culprit here. This thing bounced up out of the stay and maybe that was causing my shorts. Maybe that's why it was shorting. Only on the bumps it would bounce. And I need 4 trim clips and then 2 screws. Oh no! Okay, well I can't screw it in there, but I'm pretty sure I can screw it in here and it'll be okay. So I went into O'Reilly's, got an exhaust tip, some trim. This should be the correct size. It says Honda. Oh no! Bro, look at this. The stocking department had these 2 in the same row, so I just grabbed 2. I didn't check it. That's clapped. I'm gonna get started working on putting on this resonator exhaust tip. It looks like it has 10mm screws going all the way around, and it should fit my exhaust because my exhaust is like 2.5 inches, maybe. So let's get to it. Yo. What? This is insane. Okay, well, let's get this adjusted. I'm actually bugging right now. That looks hot. It looks like an SI. I think it needs to be a little bit more OEM plus. What do you think about that? We can go far out as here. We can do that if we want. That's too much. That's rice. So I think a nice OEM fit. Good. Oh, O'Reilly's Auto Parts. Ow! That is icy, bro. Icy. Ice. Yes, sir. Has a booster rocket, man, but it doesn't. It'll still sound quiet, hopefully. Let's get it start up and test. So if you look, there is a lip that runs along the bottom of the grill and then a lip that runs on the top side of the bumper. Those line up along with these 4 holes, and you put the trim clips in those holes and that will hold this in place. And then on the radiator cover, this lip goes under there. So it's just a bunch of interference fits for Honda today. Let's try out these clips. Okay, I need to go buy two more of these. Here's a pro hack. You need a zip tie to go around a corner and hook. Just bend the zip tie. So you take your zip tie and then you just bend it, you know, give it a nice crimp, boom. Do it twice. Now you have a hook. So now you can thread this in here. I'm gonna go through this third one because why not? And then thread through the grill and then back to itself. And then that should secure it to the radiator cover. We're back in business, baby. Let me just snip the ends. Run my finger against that. No cut. That's why you get the flush trim cutters. Boom. Easy. The hood prop has now been outlawed. Thankfully, I have a mod coming up next week that will mitigate the whole hood prop. We're going luxury. We're going the EX type of mod. See you guys then. The exhaust doesn't look half bad. I actually like it a lot. It's really clean. I'm looking down at it. It doesn't even stick out past the bumper. Yeah, that's good stuff. This side, come around. Ooh. The front, our grill is reset. My logo is still pretty bob. Yeah. Here's the old grill with the pretty much brand new badge on it. Here's the replacement. This is the original. It's pretty sad. Will you remember me? Will I remember you?